Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make this delicious and yet the most easiest spaghetti recipe. For this video I'll be making use of this golden penny pasta, and that's my tasty tom jollof mixed tomato with my Gino curry. This is kitchen glory seasoning, Lasor fish seasoning, and this is my fresh pepper, crayfish seasoning cubes. I'll be making use of this fish. In my village we call it Bonga fish, but here in Calabar I think we call it epa, yes. And that's my onion, and this is ginger and garlic. First I'll be blending the ginger, garlic, fresh pepper and crayfish together before I proceed to deboning my fish. When you're done preparing whatever you'll be needing for this dish, set them aside. You guys, preparation is key. Make sure you prepare whatever you'll be needing for a particular dish before going into the cooking process. In a pot, add in some water and add in your spaghetti. You can actually break it if you are the type that normally like to break your spag, but me, I don't like breaking my spaghetti, so I'll just add it like that. This pot is small, that's why the spaghetti is hanging. Just add a little oil to avoid the spaghetti from sticking to each other. After that, allow to cook for 8 minutes. Open and stir very well to separate them from each other. After that, sieve it out and proceed to the frying method. In the same pot, add in your groundnut oil, then you go in with your chopped onion and deboned fish. Note, I washed this fish. Fry for a minute before going in with your tomato paste. Also fry for some minutes before going in with your blended pepper, ginger, garlic and crayfish. Keep frying, add in your Gino curry powder, next with your Lasor fish seasoning. You guys, I love using this Lasor fish seasoning whenever I'm making any dish that requires me using fish. I highly recommend this Lasor fish seasoning for any fish dish, stew, jollof rice, pasta, any dish at all that you're making use of fish. So I added a little portion of kitchen glory, then I went in with my Knorr seasoning cubes with salt. After that, pour in your spaghetti, add some water, stir very well, allow to cook. Cover and allow this cook for 5 to 7 minutes on low heat, and voila, our spaghetti is ready. You you guys, this is the most delicious yet easiest jollof spaghetti I've ever seen. This whole meal comes together in just 20 minutes. Let me know what you think about this recipe on the comment section, and also please let me know what you call that fish in your language. Also, let me know if you'll be trying out this recipe, and again, what's the most interesting part of this video? Do you like this video? Do you want more of these videos? Let's communicate in the comment section. Anyways, see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.